Adventure. One miss, all teeth missing. She wants to go back home.
Look at the sweat.
Yeah.
Look at all the sweat.
So this stone has a history. We call it the Amber Rock.
So welcome to the Boti Waterfall, the amazing waterfalls. So we just arrived at the Boti Waterfall, or we are about to go to the Boti Waterfall. This is just the area where it is. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm just so excited. I know that there is going to be a hike, so I'm very excited for that one too. So let's see how it goes. The most sexy man in the world.
I'm the most sexiest tall guy in Ghana you can ever have. Trust me.
Oh my god.
So understanding. Take good care of you whenever you're in Ghana. Link up.
Give you all the
vibes, all the progs, all the energies, all the nature, everything. I got you. Here at Boti Waterfall, and we are about to go on a hiking, and at the same time we go on the waterfall. So the first thing is the hiking, then after we do the waterfall. And these are some of the things that you can see whenever you visit, right? These are natural made African. So I'm gonna take you through and I'm gonna give you the details that we go through. So these are some of the beauty you see whenever you come here. You can see how beautiful this looks like. So lovely, so relaxing, right? Do you have anything to say?
Welcome to the Boti Waterfalls. We are about to go uphill, go on a hike. So stay tuned guys. I'm very excited. Stay tuned.
So we are going for a hiking. We are going to see the umbrella stone, the train palm tree, and many other more. So stay tuned. We got you what you need.
If you look at it here, it's a reproductive part of male and female. You can see the females right here. And the look like by then.
Oh.
It was discovered by Hunter Court in the Tetemwa in the year 1999.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
So is it naturally done or?
Natural.
The hiking is not a joke. Whenever you are coming to Boti Waterfall and you're going to go for a hiking, you need more rest. You need to get your mind prepared because it's a highway. A long way, full of ups and downs. And now we are getting close to River Asiafo. That's the name. How you doing, Mrs.? So we are now at River Usiafro, and it's so beautiful, so cool, and yeah, we are there. Let me give you a picture of it. So this is River Usiafro. This is how beautiful it looks like. It comes from up here. It's nature, so beautiful, natural. Okay. Guys, so this is the tree on the rock, right? And see how beautiful it is. And there are names written there, people saying I was here some, to know that they came here for a tour and then they have a view of this beautiful nature. All right, so it's like 1.5 hour tour, right, in return, and we are almost there. She wants to go back home.
Look at the sweats.
Yeah.
Look at all the sweats.
And I was here for them almost Saturday or Mudian, but host from the back to be on home demand for communication, more hate and sound of poetry. The only is no point going to say, or more hate now with yourself, or more father.
Their friends, their family, there's a problem, you have to come here or something. So I think you can hear the sound. Yeah. Afro video. I'm a piano. How they used to communicate to others whenever they hit it. So finally, we are here at the Umbrella Rock, and then Francisca is almost out of battery. Finish that. Go take your trophy. Here you go. So beautiful. Get your steps down. That's when it's easy. Here we go. You take it easy, then you come. Come on, then you lie yourself in the car. Okay, the view up. Smart. Beautiful. So this stone has a history. We call it the Umbrella Rock, and that's how it looks like whenever you hike in Boti Waterfall. We made it.
Yes, we finally made it to the Umbrella Rock. It is just behind me. I was literally out of breath, like I was literally dying. The hike up is crazy, but the view is worth it. So come to Boti Waterfall. We'll go to the waterfall in a few minutes, but the Umbrella Rock is just behind me. I'm sure you can see it, and it's just amazing. Let's take the view.
doesn't bear fruit at the same time, so it takes turns in bearing fruit each year. But this year, and the following year, the foreign also, and the following different also. Into a movie, they were trying to use it for smaller gospel worship. Into a bit of trouble, I'm going to do a bonus soon. And I benediction finish to see you. Into a movie, and a feedback. You know, I'm a curious. One pay good for another 2 bonus rats.
Yes, question your chairman, I say.
Palm tree may be 123 years. It doesn't bear fruit at the same time, so it takes.
So this is the twin palm tree, right? And as you can see down here, this box has a meaning. If you're looking for a twin, visit it, pray with money, leave it there, and you're gonna have a twin baby. And these are the twin palm tree. And it's a nice little village up hiking in Boti Waterfall. So after that hiking, if you know you can't walk back, we just take an Okada. And here we are. 4 in 1, man. Adventure. One miss, all teeth missing.
Oh my days. This is so funny.
You know, Gaka.
Yeah.
So we are at the waterfall now, and it's 250 steps to the waterfall, and we are there now. So beautiful. Watch.
Yeah. So we are going towards the waterfall, the Boti Waterfall. We've done the hiking, and now we are just getting on the 250 stairs to get to the waterfall. And yeah, it's very, very nice. It's a bit late because it's 5 p.m, but it's fine. We'll still get there and have a nice view and have a nice time.
So we are here.
What?
Here we are, people. This is the best time to visit Ghana if you want to. You are a fan of waterfall. This is the best time to visit Ghana because we are in the rainy season.
Look at the water. So beautiful. Oh.
So here we are at the waterfall. Here is Francisca. I told her to change and she did not, and now she feels like she wants to be in the water, but it's late. We ain't got much time here. And here, like you can come and have fun. A group fun over here. It's a very big place to have fun. So amazing. See how beautiful the water is. You can see how beautiful the water is. Woo, voila. Come to Ghana. Come with Ku-Vite. Come to Africa.
Welcome to the Boti Waterfall. We came here a bit late, but it is still so beautiful. As you can see behind me, the amazing waterfalls. I think they are twin waterfalls. I'll ask the tour guide in a few minutes and he'll tell us what are their names, if they have any names, and if they are twin. I think male and female. So that is that. It is just amazing, guys. So this is the end of our tour for today. We just finished the Boti Waterfall, and let me tell you, it was amazing. Like, I don't even have the words to explain how beautiful it is. So definitely come to Ghana, and make sure that when you come to Ghana, you come to Boti Waterfalls. Book your trips with Ku-Vite Ventures. He'll take you everywhere, from your airport pickups to the Airbnb to your tours, your trips, anything that you want, he's got you. And also, as you know, we went to the Shire Hills this morning, and that too was spectacular. So make sure to also visit Shire Hills when you come to Ghana. But yeah, we'll end this here, but stay tuned because we've got so many more coming up. So yeah, see you later. Bye.